Water. It's on the 6 right there. Christian's recording too, so we're just gonna put this on Dominic's arm right here. Get some of the water. Okay, you ready, buddy?
I'm fucking ready. Fuck!
Did I get you? Oh yeah, I got you a little bit.
Oh.
Do it again.
Shit, yeah, do it again.
Again? Okay.
Fuck.
Okay, ready?
You dropped a lot.
Oh, I got my foot!
Cold water, put it in cold water.
Ah!
That's gonna blister.
That's hot water. That's hot water.
Shit. Ah!
You okay?
Fuck. Fuck your arm's red.
Oh. Ouch.
Oh, it's stinging.
Yeah, it's turning red.
It's so smooth.
Oh shit, don't get the keys wet. Oh.
Oh man, that was good. You okay, man?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
That looks bad.
It is.
Watch.
Fucking red all over.
Oh my god. Hang on, let me get some flashlight action.
Flashlight.
Flashlight action.
Oh, you can
like
see
a bitch,
You
bro.
can see the different color. Oh man. Did you have anything to say?
Fuck that. Never do it, people.
Turn on the flashlight. Oh my, you can see the difference.
Fuck.
Oh man, that was,
Ah.
wow.
There you go.